It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 11th of July. This is James Spann. You know the deal. It's summertime. It's July. Hot, humid, a storm in spots during the afternoon and evening hours. I know you hear us say the same thing almost every day, but that's just the way it works around here, typically in late June, July, and August. Let's go to the upper air look and see what the situation is here. And that's pretty standard for summertime. The stronger winds aloft are well to the north. We have a flat ridge here across the deep south. And again, the height's a little below average. The air aloft a little colder, so we'll see a number of showers and storms around this afternoon. But this morning, things are quiet. Radar composite across the deep south. I see one little bitty shower up just southwest of Decatur, and that's about it. But again, after 12 noon or 1 o'clock today, we'll hit the convective temperature, and you'll see the scattered showers and storms beginning to form. Mostly 70s early this morning across the state. Highs today around 90 in most spots, a little below average for the middle of July. We'll check the watch warning map. We have flash flood watches up north for parts of Nebraska, Iowa, and Illinois. Otherwise, a very quiet morning. Got a chance of severe storms later today from West Texas and eastern New Mexico into the southern Great Lakes. A level 2 out of 5 risk, including Chicago. This is tomorrow. Again, level 2 out of 5 risk up around Cleveland and Detroit. A marginal risk down into West Texas. And on day 3, which is Sunday, got a marginal risk from Texas up into the western Ohio Valley, and also one for Virginia and points north up into parts of New England. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And again, these maps are so hard to put together in summertime because of the uneven distribution of afternoon storms. But the trend will be toward fewer showers and higher heat levels in coming days. Rain amounts really under 1/2 inch on an average basis. You could see more for North Alabama. About 1 inch near the Gulf Coast. But again, if you've got a beach trip, don't let that spook you. You'll see lots of sunshine each day for the next 7 days. And the tropics just remain dead, at least the Atlantic basin. Remarkably quiet. The Gulf, Caribbean, deep tropics, nothing. No tropical storms, no hurricanes, at least for the next 7 days. But keep in mind, the peak of the season yet to come. That comes in August, September, and early October. All right, model fans, here we go. GFS. No 6C run, 4 o'clock today. Pretty good shortwave on the Canadian border. Another one out there in the Great Plains. And for us, we will see the typical scattered showers and storms this afternoon. Here's the high-res HER, 6 o'clock this evening. Radar not looking exactly like that, but something like that. Highs around 90 today. No real change tomorrow. Partly to mostly sunny with a few of these afternoon showers and storms around. That's the high-resolution HER, and the HER is HRRR, high-resolution rapid refresh. That's 6 o'clock. Spotty showers and storms about. And the same thing on Sunday. Now, heat levels should be creeping up. Many spots by Sunday will likely hit mid-90s. And that'll be the theme for next week. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Partly sunny, hot, humid days with a few widely scattered afternoon storms. Highs up in the mid-90s. And a week from today, Friday, July 18th, 594 circle on top of us. And again, we'll see scattered showers and storms about. Let's keep going 10 days out. This is Sunday, July 20th. Main westerlies up north. Winds aloft down here light and variable, and it's the same thing. It's basically a classic summer pattern for the rest of July. And I write the essay every year in June about how this works around here if you're new. Every day there is a chance of rain. Every day will be hot and humid. The problem with the rain, we don't know when and where the random storms form in advance. If you got something planned outdoors, you have to watch radar trends. Rain for the next 15 days. This coming off the European AI. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 26th of July. 89 today, then after that, low to mid-90s. Mostly mid-90s next week. It'll be pretty hot. Latest long-range guidance, this is for July 18th through July 24th. Temperatures very close to average. Got the big air show in Pensacola coming up today and tomorrow. There'll be a gazillion people there. They had the practice runs yesterday, Blue Angels, of course. And if you've never been to one of these, they're really, really fun. The crowds are huge, of course, and that's the only problem is finding a parking place and getting down there. But again, the Blue Angels, they know how to put on a show. And really, that's pretty remarkable. It's easy to sit from the ground and look at that and just think that's kind of cool. But you think about the the technology, the skill set needed to fly in tandem like that. That's pretty cool. But again, these were the some of the practice runs taken yesterday down at Pensacola, and the weather looks just fine. Much like the last 5 or 6 days, a lot of sun. And of course, there could be a little shower storm that pops up. But again, things look pretty good. Here's your classic summer soaker. It was taken yesterday up around Rainbow City on the Coosa River. If you're underneath that thing, I mean, you got a flash flood. You just go about a half mile in one way or the other, and it's nice and sunny. Classic case of random scattered afternoon storms. And once again, after the showers and storms that pop up, we always get these remarkable rainbows this time of the year. Rainbows this week have just been really, really good across the great state of Alabama, and especially love the situations where you get one right there in your backyard. There's your backyard rainbow. That was taken down in Hope Hall, south of Montgomery yesterday, with rain still falling. And, of course, after the showers, we get often a gorgeous sunset. Love that shot. Got the sunflowers working there with the convective debris left over from the afternoon storms. And I had a couple of late-night stranglers last night. That's a pretty good-looking lightning-illuminated cumulonimbus tower. And on top of everything else, we had that big old full moon last night. Woo, boy. Had all kind of photographs of that. And I love the full moon shots over the Gulf. Those shots where the big moon reflects over the Gulf waters. But that was outstanding. All right, today going to have a program for Big Brothers and Big Sisters in Birmingham. Always looking forward to seeing them. That's a great ministry there. And then tomorrow, it's a book signing. We are going to be in Washington County, Alabama, Chatham, at the Washington County Public Library. And we're going to do a little miniature storm spotting safety type program at 10 o'clock. It'll last for about 30 minutes if you want to watch that. The book signing will be from 10:30 until noon. So come down there about 10 o'clock. We need more storm spotters. We really do. And we'll give you a crash course, an intro course in spotting tomorrow. If you have kids that love weather, bring them. And we got all the T-shirts and, of course, the children's books, including this one for those that might want to do what I've been doing for so long. So, again, Chatham, Washington County Public Library, tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. And, of course, as always, we'll be on the TV side, ABC 3340 News this evening. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.